Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today we're looking at a yellowish ink from Diamine Lou, aka Diamine Louise. Thanks go out to Gary and Kathy Scott for providing the sample for this review. Today's pen, I'll be using the Jane Davenport Mermaid Tail fountain pen with a Fountain Pen Revolution number 5.5 Ultra Flex Nib. Alright, here is our comparison panel. Let's see. Has some nice shading. Nice gradual shading. Sometimes you get like abrupt shading from other inks, but this one has nice gradual shading. Alright, here is our ink swatch that will go to inkswatch.com later on today. I don't really think that this would be great for putting on the outside of an envelope. Not very good water resistance. Here's our ink splotch postcard, and here is our toilet paper chromatography. I do see some like blackish going on in here, and then I see yellow, and then right along the edge there's like a lighter flavor of yellow. Alright, let's do some paper review, shall we? This is the Pen and Gear Memo book from Walmart.com. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. Oh, it did ghost just a little bit. I might not use the backside of this paper. 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Rhodia dot pad, 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua, 85 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua, 85 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. It does look like it's trying to feather just a little bit, and it did bleed through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. Nemesine, 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Claire Fontaine, 90 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Lamy Booklet, 90 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. There. Mead wide rolled notebook paper. Looks like it did spread a little bit, and it bled through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber notebook paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Unison composition book from Target for 50 cents. Oh, I didn't do this one yet. $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Well, so far I don't see any feathering or bleeding or ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Alright, let's do a comparison panel. Let's look at some yellows. This is Diamine Louise next to Van Diemen's Harvest Apple Cider, Diamine Wonderland, Penbibius 399, Bakersfield Food Color Yellow, Krishna Primary Yellow, Roar and Klinger Helianthus, Diamine Amber, Ferris Wheel Press Goose Pupal, Colorverse Dust Storm, Noodler's Yellow Jacket, Pure Pens Cotswolds, Platinum Citrus Black, Pannonia Dungo, Diatromentus Document Yellow, Mont Blanc Golden Yellow, Sailor Monyo Yamabuki, Robert Oster NG Special, Noodler's Apache Sunset, Ferris Wheel Press Sparkling Champagne, MMD Golden Afternoon, Diamine Candlelight, L'Artisan Pastelier, Jaune Jasmine Scented Ink, and Robert Oster African Gold. Now, just for giggles, I do want to look at some browns to compare it to some browns that might be in that category. This is Diamine Brandy Snap, Diamine Raw Sienna, Jarbon Nude, Graf von Faber-Castell Cognac Brown, Diamine Sepia, Diamine Autumn Oak, Diamine Golden Brown, and I think that's all for the browns. What did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a yellowy, browny ink? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So, take care until then. Okay, love you, bye.